Good morning, students. Now we are going to study here another bit of our syllabus, that is called as the development of the endosperm. We know that how endosperm is produced. It is produced with the help of union of one male gamete with the two secondary nuclei which are present at the equator in the amino acid. And this 3M in nature. It is a nutritive in function. पोषक तत्व देण्याचं काम हा 3M एंडोस्पर्म करत असतो. याच्यामध्ये मायटोटिक डिव्हिजन होतात. The development takes place in the endosperm by the repeated mitotic division and the endosperm is produced. It is a nutritive in the function. Now see here, there are different types of endosperms according to the mode of development of cells. ज्या प्रकारचे सेल डेव्हलप होतात त्या प्रकारे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला तीन प्रकारचं एंडोस्पर्म डेव्हलपमेंट मिळतं. नंबर 1 टाइप इट इज कॉल्ड एज द न्यूक्लियर टाइप. In the nuclear type you find that the primary endosperm nucleus divides and it divides but without cell wall formation. Here the cell wall formation cannot take place. Here the wall is or the vacuole is produced at the middle side and the remaining cells they are surrounding, they goes on repeated divisions. Cytoplasm is produced surrounding to the nuclei, and here approximately 161 angiospermic families they can produce this type of nuclear type. There are 161 angiospermic families. We can show the development according to the nuclear types. In sometimes cell wall formation remains incomplete. Cell wall formation remains incomplete. Example is wheat and sunflower. Wheat and sunflower, the development or the formation of cell wall cannot take place. It remains the incomplete. So this is the first type. It is called as the nuclear type of the development of endosperm. So the second type is called as the cellular type. In the cellular type we find there are 72 families of dicots. They are included here. So this is also a large group of the development of the endosperm of the cellular type. So here the immediate cell wall formation takes place after the division of nuclei. Nuclei divides, the repeated division takes place and immediate cell wall formation takes place surrounding to the nuclei and development of endosperm takes place. This is called as the cellular type of the development of the endosperm. The families, there are 72 dicot families. Immediate cell wall formation takes place there, and certain examples like the petunia and balsam, तेरडा, त्याला मराठीमध्ये तेरडा असं म्हणतात. They show development. That is the cellular type of development of the endosperm. Now here is the third type called as the halo gear type of development of the endosperm. It is present in between these both, in between the nuclear type and cellular type development we are finding here. The example is Aspergillus is the example of this type. So here the division takes place, that is the transverse division, and the cell is divided into two parts. So first division is the transverse wall is produced inside the cell. Bigger and larger, two types of cells they are produced. The larger cell is toward the micropylar end and the smaller cell is toward the chalazial end. Development of embryo again takes place. Here nucleus divide and the formation of the cell wall takes place there. It is in between the cellular type and the nuclear type. First division is the transverse, two unequal cells they are produced. The larger toward the micropylar side, smaller toward the chalazial side. Again the division takes place. Small vacuoles are present in between the cell and the cytoplasm is produced, or it is nucleus is encircled by some cytoplasm. And here we will find that these are the three types of modes of development which we are getting in the development of the endosperm. Again keep in your mind, first type is the nuclear type. In the nuclear type we can say nuclear type zygote is also there in the embryo sac. It is 2n in number. Development of zygote and endosperm simultaneous takes place. Embryo development takes place during these phases also. 61 angiospermic families, they belong to this type. So it is a huge group of the formation of the development of the endosperm. Here 161 angiospermic families shows the nuclear type of development of endosperm. The cell wall formation remains incomplete. Cell wall formation हे पूर्ण होत नाही, it remains the incomplete. Examples are given: wheat and sunflower. In the second type, we have studied that here also the development takes place. This type of group consisting of approximately 72 families in the dicotyledonous plant. Here the division of the nucleus takes place and immediate formation of cell wall takes place. Here the examples are petunia and the balsam, that is called as the pteridra. Third type is the halobial type. So in the halobial type, it is the intermediate between the cellular type and the nuclear type. So here we find that first division is the transfer division or cell plate or transverse wall formation takes place. Here the bigger cell is towards the micropylar end and the smaller cell is towards the callosal end. Then the nuclei divides and again cell wall formation takes place. Example is asphodelus is the example. So these are the three types of modes of development found in the endosperm. As endosperm is nutritive in the function, it is useful for the supply of food during the germination process. Germination is the process in which after sowing the seed, after getting favorable conditions like the soil, temperature, water, all the humidity or the better environmental condition, seed converts into the seedling. But during the development, the seedling means from the seed to seedling, the endosperm is responsible to supply the food to this developing plant. So this is the role of endosperm in the development, and these are three types: nuclear type, cellular type, halobial type. Nuclear type, it is 3 nuclear division, PM divides, but here we will find that cell wall formation remains incomplete. Example is wheat is given, sunflower is given, cellular type, then the petunia and the balsam. After the division of nuclei, the cell wall formation takes place immediately, and the third type, it is present in between both. Halobial type is the example. Halobials, that is the one order is included here, and example is asphodelus. Thank you.